Welcome guys, this is one of the best strategies to record consistent profits. Now this strategy will show you where to make your entry, where to place your stop loss, and also show you if the entry is safe or not. Do you understand? So you need only two indicators, alligator indicator and the moving average indicator. Now let me show you how to set up the indicators before we go deep on how to make use of this indicator. So you click on F. Now you need two indicators, moving average. Now here what the setup for moving average. The period is 20, shift 2. Method simple, apply to close. Do you understand? That's all about for moving average. Now the second indicator is alligator indicator. Alligator indicator. So you click on alligator indicator. Here are what the setups for alligator indicator. Now you can screenshot this or you write it down. Do you understand? The jaw period is 16. Just shift 8. Tint period 10, tint shift 0, lift period 10, lift shift 0, method linear weights, apply to media price. Do you understand? All right, so here what the style, this color of the style, just style blue, tint style red, and leaf style green. Do you understand? So that is all about for indicator settings. So once you're done setting up this way, you click on done. Now back to the charts. Now let me show you how to make use of this indicator. Now I told you before that this indicator will show you the entry, where to make your entry, where to place your stop loss, and also show you if the trade, if you should make the trade or not. Do you understand? All right, now let me show you. Now, starting from here now, on my screen now, you will see that there are 3 lines on the side of alligator indicator. Green line, red line, and blue line. Now, where the green line and red line of alligator crosses that of blue line, that is where you need to do what? Make your entry. Now, if the crossing is from down upward, that is what? A buy signal. Now if the crossing is from up downward, like in this case, this is what? A sell signal. Do you understand? Like as I said, this indicator will show you where to place your stop loss. Now for the side of placing your stop loss, the moving average here is what? The moving average. This line here is what? The moving average. That is the indicator that will show you where to place your stop loss. Do you understand? So if you are buying, your stop loss should be just below the moving average. Now if you are selling, your stop loss should be just above the moving average. All right, now let me show you what I mean. Now from here, now look at the crossing here. Look at this crossing here. So you make your buy entry at this point. Make your buy entry where the red and green line crosses the blue line of alligator indicator. Do you understand? All right, you make your, this is the crossing where the red and green line crosses the blue line of alligator. Now here is the candlestick where the crossing occurs. So you make your buy entry at this point. Now your stop loss should be just below the moving average. Your stop loss should be what? Should be there. Do you understand? And you record your profits. All right. Now we proceed. Now here the green and the red line of alligator crosses the blue line of alligator. So at this point you make your sell entry. Do you understand? The point where the crossing occur, that is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. So you make your sell entry at this point. Look at the crossing here. Look at the candlestick where the crossing occur here. So you make your sell entry at this point. Do you understand? and this is huge profit. Now your stop loss should be just above the moving average. That is where your stop loss should be, just what, above the moving average. Do you understand? All right, as you can see, this is what a huge profit. So we proceed. Now here is what, here is a buy, a clear buy entry. See where the red line and green line crosses the blue line of alligator indicator. So you make your buy entry at this point where the crossing occur. Do you understand? So this is where the crossing occur from the side of alligator indicator, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. So this is where you need to do what, make your buy entry. Like as I said, your stop loss should be just below the moving average. Do you understand? So make your buy entry here and record your massive profit. As easy as that. All right, now let's proceed. Don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX where profitable strategies are shared. Now at this point, this is the correction here. This is where the correction occur. So you make your sell entry at this point where the correction occur. Make a what? Sell entry. Make your sell entry. This is where the correction occur from the side of alligator indicator, and this is the candlestick where the correction occur. So you make your what? Sell entry from this point. Make your sell entry here. I seen it. Now your stop loss should be just above the moving average. Do you understand? As you can see, this is a current chart. I see where the price is still going down. All right. Now I told you that this indicator will tell you if the entry you want to make, if the trade you want to make is safe or not. Now let me show you the case whereby the entry is not safe. Now watch here. Anywhere where the correction occur and you observe that the candlesticks are far away from the moving average, that is not a good trade for you. It only shows that the market is about to enter range. Do you understand? Like in this case, look at where the correction occur here. Are you seeing where the correction occur? From the side of alligator indicator, are you seeing it? Now, this is where the candlestick is. You see how distance, you see the distance between the moving average and the candlestick. Are you seeing it? So, in the case of where you notice this, where you notice this type of distance, this is the moving average here, and here is what? The candlestick. Are you seeing are you seeing a big this is what, a big distance between the moving average and the point where the candlestick is. Do you understand? So once you encounter this, the market is about to enter ranging market, as you can see. So this is not a safe trade. The candlestick must be closer to the moving average. Do you understand? So in this case now, you see how the market is here. You can see that it is what? Ranging. Look at this. This is a support here, and up here is what? Resistance. I seen it. So that is exceptional with this strategy. Once the candlesticks are far away from the moving average, that is not a good trade for you to make. Do you understand? All right. Don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. Do you understand? Now, there is something I want to make clear here for most of my subscribers that are asking about zoom level. Now, let me demonstrate what the zoom level I use. Look at this. Look at my screen now. Now I will shrink the chart. I will shrink it. Look at it. Are you seeing it? I shrink the chart. Now this is the level I use. First of all, you expand it. You expand it first. You expand it second. So this is the zoom level I use. After shrinking the chart, you zoom it one, zoom it another one. Do you understand? That is the second time. So that is it. So for those asking which zoom level, shrink your chart, then zoom it first, zoom it the second time. That is it. All right. Enjoy the trades. Thank you.